Hello, sports fans. Welcome to RV'ing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck, and today we're going to be having an exciting adventure of installing some stuff, and it gets kind of crazy, but I hope you enjoy it and watch to the end. Okay, we're going to do an open the box and check it out before we do the full install video. So let's see. Got to give you a hint. I already took out the instructions. Looks to be a long cable. There's a fuse on here. Also the on-off toggle switch. Mounting hardware. And then the lights themselves. We're going to put those bad boys right on there. Okay, I'll be going over the exact battery hookups, but right now I just got it in place. I ran the wire over here, dropped it down, came out underneath right here, where these will be pretty much tied up under here with some zip ties. And for now, I've got on the two mounting brackets. See if I could show you. Have a nut under here that I use the vice grips to hold while I use the socket on that guy. Now we'll be putting on the lights. And you can see these are going to go right in here. And I'm going to use those bolts in the bag to get these mounted in place. So I'll show you before I'm tightening them down. I prefer to have the cleaner look going this way. So I put that there. Got a locking washer and then a nut. Now I'm just going to put the vice grips on one side to hold it and use a socket to tighten down the other side. And we'll get these in place and the plastic off. Now we're just going to connect these two like I did that one there. Hands are filthy, sorry. They give you plenty of extra fuses. 3. There's my helper. Yeah, an open door, you better go inside and check. So pretty simple. Going to take off the black and go to black. Red to the positive. And then this little doohickey, just going to remove that screw and mount this to there. Now here's the tricky part. I've got the wire coming to there. Now I need to figure out how to get the cable inside to where the switch is at. What a good helper you are. So, probably gonna end up drilling a hole, or who knows, maybe zip tie this up somewhere, but I got to figure out how to connect that through somewhere in here to get to the engine. All right, I still have to figure out how to get that inside. But before I did anything, now that I got the wires attached to the battery, I wanted to turn them on and make sure they're working. And they are. The one thing that's not included, but I keep them handy, are zip ties. See, I just bought 100 pack of them. And now I'll zip tie all the wires in place now that I know everything's working good. All right, found a way. Got to zip tie that up a little bit more, but found a place to put it through back there. Let's take a look at the inside. Right through a little hole right there. I'm going to run this up and put the switch right up here. And it's recommended on any of this exposed wiring, put some electrical tape. Parking lights, headlights, fog lights. Okay, doesn't seem too bad, does it? I always like the fog lights. They help light up a little bit right in front. Now let's check out the new Nilight lights. If I can find my switch. Okay, so you can see I've got a little adjusting to do. In the camera I could see the exact placement of both the lights. Looks like the one on the right I'm going to have to adjust a little bit. What I see with my eyes is just solid, white, bright dirt road. The camera, though, shows like the two floodlight spots there, which the human eye doesn't pick up. It's just all lit up naturally. See the little red light there where I put the switch? And again, let's see if I turn that off. No, thank you. I think I'd like to brighten up my lights. Brighten up the night with Nilight. But so far, I'm very impressed. Now the question is, will they hold, or do I need to tighten up the bolts more? So we'll find out. I was going pretty slow on the forest road. Let's see. They look pretty equal to me. You enjoyed watching this video. We've got more exciting things to come. Boy, I'm really excited to share this stuff with you. Anyway, go out there, be positive, be nice, be active. Please smash that thumbs up button. It really does help the channel.